Something big is brewing behind the scenes, and if you're a Samsung user, you're going to want to hear this. Samsung's next major software update, One UI 8, isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, but it might just make your Galaxy phone feel brand new in ways you didn't expect. There's a subtle genius in what they're doing this time, and honestly, it's got us curious. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you love discovering these hidden gems before they go mainstream, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and share this with your fellow Galaxy fam. Now let's dive into what makes One UI 8 so quietly powerful. First off, Samsung's not throwing a bunch of wild, flashy changes at your screen. Instead, they're polishing the experience. Everything feels tighter, faster, and just smarter. And for foldable lovers, this one's especially sweet. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will be the first devices to rock the final version out of the box. Lucky them. Let's start with the visuals. The quick panel now has borders around each section, giving everything this neat, minimalist vibe. It's a tiny change, but once you see it, you'll wonder why it wasn't always like this. And then there's back swipe preview, a feature you didn't know you needed. Swipe from the left edge and boom, you get a peek at the previous screen sliding into view. It's smoother, more intuitive, and just makes navigation feel more alive. But it's not just eye candy. Samsung's Quick Share has been reworked too. Now there are separate tabs for sending and receiving files, which sounds small, but if you share stuff often, it's a total lifesaver. Now let's talk AI. This is where things get spicy. Browsing assist on foldables. You can now undock it, move it around, and resize it on the fly. Generative edit. It shows before and after previews side by side. Zoom in on one, and the other zooms with it. Side-by-side editing just got next level. And the MVP audio eraser, it now works in more apps. Samsung Notes, voice recorder, even call recordings. One tap, and the background noise melts away. No post-editing required. It's almost unfair how good this is. Now here's a sneaky good upgrade: real-time call captions. On a call in a loud place, your phone will literally start subtitling what the other person is saying live. Combine that with real-time text during calls, and this update feels more accessible than ever. Next up, Samsung apps are glowing up. The Gallery app now features a private album and cleaner icons. The My Files app, fully redesigned categories. Reminders and calendar have been tweaked to separate events and tasks, so you can finally feel like a functional adult. And let's talk battery protection. You now get to choose from basic, maximum, and adaptive modes. Your phone learns your habits and protects battery health in the background. It's like having a battery coach, but without the lectures. Oh, and don't sleep on briefing. It now supports 3 new car types, gives you parking reminders. Yes, it remembers where you parked, keeps tabs on your smart home devices, and even reads out summaries when you're hands-free. But perhaps the boldest upgrade is advanced protection mode. Imagine locking down your phone with a single tap. No more risky app installs, no shady USB connections, and goodbye 2G network vulnerabilities. It's a must-use feature if you want peace of mind without the hassle. And then there's the Now bar, which is finally waking up. Thanks to Android 16, live notifications aren't limited to Samsung apps anymore. One UI 8 unlocks real-time updates for all apps using the Live Updates API. That means third-party apps like your favorite sports tracker or delivery service can now show live updates directly on your status bar. But here's something that made me do a double take. Samsung is adding AI smarts to your wallpaper selection. Instead of scrolling through thousands of photos, your phone will scan your gallery and suggest which images would look best on your home screen. Yep, wallpaper curation by AI. So is One UI 8 the flashiest update ever? Not even close. But is it the smartest? Absolutely. Samsung has clearly shifted its focus from "look at this new thing" to "feel how much better this works." And honestly, that's more exciting, especially if you're grabbing the Z Fold 7 or Flip 7 soon, because they'll launch with all of this goodness baked in. There's still more to uncover, and with Galaxy Unpacked around the corner, we could see even more surprises added last minute. But right now, One UI 8 is shaping up to be one of those updates that sneaks up on you, and then you can't live without it. So which feature are you most hyped for? Let me know in the comments. I'll be reading them all. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.